Let's move on to another one. Prove by mathematical induction that summation of r into r plus 1 is equal to 1 over 3 n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 for all positive integers n. I'm going now to repeat the same structure of the question. So I start by defining Pn. Let Pn be a statement and then copy paste the given one. Sometimes the proof is so long and it's not practical to always copy paste the given statement. That's why I like to write Pn to give it a name and avoid writing too much. So now let's test for base case. The smallest now is n equals to 1 since they said for all positive integers n. So for n equals to 1, is the left hand side equal to the right hand side? So for n equals to 1, summation of r into r plus 1, you replace r by 1 and you get the answer 2. Now let's check the right hand side. Replace n by 1 and you will get 2. Since the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, so summation of r into r plus 1 from 1 to 1 is equal to 1 over 3 times 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 2. Here I replaced n by 1 and I didn't simplify. I just kept it in the given form and then I need to state that this is true for n equals to 1. If you want to get a full mark on these types of questions, you have to follow this structure. Now, second step, assume true for n equals to k, and here you need to copy paste the given statement and replace n by k. Now, I'm going to use the answer for pk later in the next step because whenever I see summation of r from 1 to k of r into r plus 1, I know that the answer of this piece is equal to 1 over 3k into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now, third step, for n equals k plus 1, I need to prove that this statement, instead of n, I have k plus 1, is true. So I start with summation of r equals 1 to k plus 1 of r into r plus 1. And this is a series that starts from 1 and ends at k plus 1. But from 1 to k, I already have the answer, so I don't have to do it again. And then it is from 1 to k plus one more term, which is the k plus 1 term. So summation of r into r plus 1 from 1 to k, the answer is 1 over 3k into k plus 1 into k plus 2. And this is pk, and I don't have to do it again. And that's why I assume pk true to help me here. Now, all what I need is adding one more term, and this is the summation from k plus 1 to k plus 1. I just replace r by k plus 1, so now it looks like this, k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1. And pk and one more term completes the series from 1 to k plus 1. Now here you just need to simplify. The main idea is in the first line. 1 over 3 k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. Since I have k plus 1 and k plus 2 in both terms, take them out, factor them out, and then you get k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 1 over 3k from the first term plus 1 from the second term. The answer is 1 over 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. I finished, but it's better to write it in the given form to show them that whenever you replace n by k plus 1, the statement is true. So this is equal to 1 over 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 2. And that's it. So since pk is true, pk plus 1 is also true. So this is true for n equals to k plus 1. Now the last step is the conclusion. So we write, since true for n equals to 1 and true when n equals to k plus 1, so by induction, the given statement, you can write the given statement or you can write Pn, since we define it at the beginning, is true for all positive integers n.